Leaked images just dropped showing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with a revolutionary dual camera setup. We're talking flagship drone technology crammed into your pocket. Hasselblad colors, insane frame rates, and specs that sound too good to be true. But while everyone waits for this beast, there's already something available that might be exactly what you need right now. Should you hold off or grab what's here today? So the biggest news dropped on September 1st, when the first real prototype images surfaced online. What we're seeing is a complete departure from the single lens design DJI has used for years. The Osmo Pocket 4 features two distinct camera modules, a larger primary sensor and a telephoto lens unit. This is the same dual camera approach DJI uses on their high-end drones like the Air 3S, and bringing that technology down to a pocket-sized gimbal is genuinely impressive. Now let's talk specs. The primary sensor is rumored to be a full 1-inch CMOS sensor with approximately 12 megapixels, and it's getting Hasselblad color science treatment. For those unfamiliar, Hasselblad is legendary in the photography world, and their color profiles deliver richer tones and better dynamic range than standard processing. You're looking at professional-level color straight out of the camera. Video capabilities are where the Pocket 4 really flexes. We're talking 4K resolution at 240 frames per second. It means you can capture ultra-smooth slow motion that rivals cameras costing thousands more. Add in 10-bit D-Log-M recording, and you've got over 1 billion colors to work with in post-production. Content creators and filmmakers will absolutely love this flexibility. The screen is getting upgraded too. The new 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen pushes over 800 nits of brightness, making it usable even in direct sunlight. Battery life is rumored at up to 4 hours of extended recording, which is a massive jump from the Pocket 3. And yes, it supports dual DJI Mic 3 compatibility for wireless audio without needing separate receivers. Stabilization gets ActiveTrack 7.0, which uses AI and that dual camera setup for advanced depth sensing. This means better subject tracking even in crowded scenes, and 360-degree horizon steady keeps your footage perfectly level no matter how extreme your movements get. The weight bumps up slightly to 190 grams from the Pocket 3's 179 grams, but that's a small trade-off for all these features. Release date and pricing? Fall 2025 is looking likely, possibly October or November, though some sources suggest it could even slip to late 2026. Pricing is expected between $599 and $699, which is a 15 to 30% increase over the Pocket 3's original $519 launch price. Now here's the alternative you should consider. The DJI Osmo Nano. This thing just launched, and it's a completely different beast. At just 52 grams, it's DJI's smallest action camera ever. Despite the tiny size, you're getting a 1/1.3-inch sensor that shoots 4K at 120 frames per second for slow motion, and it even does 10-bit D-Log-M recording. That's flagship-level features in a camera you can mount literally anywhere. The Nano uses a modular design with a separate, multifunctional vision dock that acts as your display, remote control, and fast charger all in one. Pricing is super competitive. $299 for the 64GB version, or $329 for 128 8GB. So should you wait for the Osmo Pocket 4? If you need dual cameras, maximum zoom flexibility, and the absolute best image quality in a gimbal camera, the Pocket 4 is worth waiting for. But if portability and immediate availability matter more, the Osmo Nano delivers incredible value right now.